Picture this: a world where you have the power to change your gaming experience to your exact liking. Welcome to the realm of mods in gaming. Mods, short for modifications, are like the secret sauce of the gaming world. They're created by fellow players just like you, who want to tweak, enhance, or completely overhaul their favorite games. Whether it's changing game mechanics for a more tailored challenge, altering visuals for a fresh aesthetic, or rewriting storylines for a different narrative journey, mods let you customize every aspect of your gaming experience. They are the tools that help you mold your virtual playground into a realm that reflects your personality, preferences, and passions. Every game becomes a unique experience, a personal journey. Now imagine applying this power to your favorite game, Lethal Company. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive into it. Before we jump into the installation, there are a few things you need to check off your list. First and foremost, ensure that you're running the correct version of the game. Mods are often created for specific versions, so it's crucial to match these up. Next, you'll want to verify that your game is indeed mod compatible. Not all games are, and it would be a shame to get your hopes up only to be disappointed. Safety first, right? Always back up your game files before installing any mods. This will save you from losing your progress if something goes awry. Lastly, don't forget to read the mod description and requirements thoroughly. Sometimes, mods require additional software or specific settings. Ignoring these could lead to a less than perfect gaming experience. Now that you're all set, let's move on to the exciting part, the installation process. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and gaming tips. Ready to transform your gaming experience? Here's how you do it. First off, it's all about downloading the mod. Find a reliable source, click on that download button, and let the magic begin. Remember, safety first, so ensure that your source is trustworthy. Next up, we're going to extract the files. This may sound complicated, but it really isn't. All you need is a handy tool like WinRAR or 7-Zip, and you're good to go. From there, it's time for the final step, placing the files in the correct game directory. This is the heart of the process, the moment where your game gets that extra kick. Find the right folder, drop the files in, and voila, each step is crucial. So take your time, be patient, and let the process unfold. And there you have it, a brand new gaming experience at your fingertips. But what does this mean for you? So, you've installed your first mod, but what's next? Let's talk benefits. Mod installation is like unlocking a treasure chest of possibilities. It can enhance your gameplay in ways you might never have imagined. Think improved graphics, making your gaming world more vibrant and lifelike. Or new challenges that test your skills and take the game to a whole new level. But it doesn't stop there. Mods can breathe fresh life into an old game, giving you new reasons to revisit your favorite virtual realms. They offer a creative outlet, allowing you to tailor the game environment to your preferences. And let's not forget the community aspect. Sharing and using mods fosters a connected, engaged gaming community. It's a space to share, learn, and grow, all while having fun. So go on, explore the world of mods and transform your gaming experience into something uniquely yours. After all, in the world of mods, the only limit is your imagination. Enjoyed the video? Want to unlock more gaming treasures through mods? Well, you're in luck. By subscribing to our channel, you'll have access to a plethora of mod installation guides. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of mods, making your gaming experience more vibrant, challenging, and personalized. So don't miss out. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And remember, your support helps us create more content for this wonderful gaming community. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, happy gaming!